Talk to voice it.
Got it. Here's the test version of Voice It.
Welcome to Voice It. You can participate in various surveys or quizzes by choosing any of the given lists. You may speak, use the keyboard, or tap on the options shown.
Titan survey.
Here are the surveys or quizzes available for you. To participate, tap or say any one of these, or say exit to leave.
Test survey.
To get your name and email, please do sign in, or say exit to leave anytime.
Sign in.
Thank you, YFRETY, for signing in. Welcome to Test Survey. I look forward to hearing your answers. We will ask 4 questions. Say go to proceed.
Go.
Here comes your first question. Which brand of watches do you like the best?
Titan.
Sorry, can you repeat that? Here's your first question. Which brand of watches do you like the best?
Titan.
You have selected Titan. Question 2 is here. What do you usually look for in Fast Track?
Sunglasses.
You have selected sunglasses. This is question 3. What type of watch strap do you think are in trend?
Record answer.
Tell us your answer.
Leather.
You have said leather. It's final question time. Here we go. What type of dials do you like?
Irregular shapes.
Sorry, can you repeat that? Your last question is coming up. Here we go. What type of dials do you like? Tell us your answer.
Irregular shapes.
You have said irregular shapes. Thank you for participating in the survey. We would like to keep you updated with latest news or offers. Say confirm to proceed.
Confirm.
Great, you'll get a notification on new updates. Your responses have been recorded. Thank you. To continue, you may speak, use the keyboard, or tap on the options shown, or say exit to leave.
I would like to book an appointment for consultation.
Which date would you like to come?
Day after tomorrow.
Which time do you prefer?
Probably evening 4 p.m.
Okay, you are all set for consultation on September 27th, 4 p.m. See you then. I can answer your FAQs on cancer, Tannis HQ Golden Harvest, Apollo Hospital appointments, or participate in any surveys, quizzes given below.
Oh, great. I would like to know what are the precautions for cancer?
Dark-colored moles and warts which become itchy or bleed or ulcerate should be removed. Fair-skinned people should avoid overexposure to direct sun rays. Recurrent blisters on the lip should be carefully examined. Skin should always be kept clean. Any more questions? Or participate in any surveys, quizzes given below. Or say exit.
What are the common types of cancer?
There are more than 100 types of cancer. Any more questions? Or participate in any surveys, quizzes given below. Or say exit.
Can you tell me different types of cancer?
There are more than 100 types of cancer. Any more questions? Or participate in any surveys, quizzes given below. Or say exit.
What are the treatments for cancer?
No, treatment depends on type and location of the growth. Some cancers will not respond to radiation treatment but must be treated by surgery or with hormones and chemotherapy. Any more questions? Or participate in any surveys, quizzes given below. Or say exit.
Exit.